Okay guys, it's me, DJ Cool Game and watching video here. So today, we'll be playing Talking Tom Hero Dash right now. That's just auto game, but I don't know what's that, so I have been playing it already. Right now. Okay, I'm running right now. It says Hero Dash or something else. Maybe. We're gonna do this. Well, I'm having a good day already today. And I'm doing good. It's okay. I already made 2 videos this time already. Boss Fan 15 is so the worst. If you know who's Boss Fan 15, go look it up, you search it or something, because so you can dislike the videos because everyone hates it. Go check it out so you can dislike it. Boss Fan 15's videos, because he's a bad user. Yeah, I hate him also. He's always saying that cursing word and N-word like us. Should not do that. That's bad. That's ungrateful. Also, that's disrespectful, you guys. You know that. So don't be acting like Best Fan 15. So, anyways. Well, how did I get 1 dislike today for no reason? After I made a video yesterday about me telling a quick announcement. I forgot to say alert. Okay, so alert. If you unsubscribe me and dislike me and disturbing me my account, I will block your account. Alert, alert. That's it. Okay? I forgot. Sorry guys. I know already, you guys know. I'm just wanting to have a great time, guys. Right now, today. So, right now, I'm already in 230,000 score, but I already reached 1 million score last few days or weeks already. I did it. I was just focusing right now. Ooh, explosions. I always saw it always. When I accident. That happened. I better watch out and watch out. I gotta be careful. There's no skateboards in this game. But they have been talking to go wrong, but it's only for skating only. It will easily crash. And I will say 5 dynamites already. And I don't like that. More like blue key, to one blue key from Subway Surfers or something. You skateboard for safety of this armor or something else, I think. If you guys know this game, you'll find out in Apple App Store and play it on Google Play if you're bored. Like all of the Android games, but some of Android games not related by Apple App Store or Google Play or something. Yes, I found something good in my game, in my phone lately. Because it's been good for last many years already. The first one looks like Plants vs Zombies or Angry Birds or something before. When I was little something, a few years ago, for like almost 10 years now. And people in Canada are playing. I think 8 or 9 years already. It's been here. It's now 8 or 9 years old right now. In the Apple App Store or in Google Play or something. Yeah, I think because some of Angry Birds games are not here anymore. So people are starting to get sad. But they have more new games coming in the Google Play and Apple App Store. Remember, if you don't know these, find out, just download it. It's all free, some of them are free. But do you know some games don't? Because it's sometimes cost money, like GTA Vice City, GTA San Andreas, GTA 2, and Minecraft or something. Yeah, you have to pay for that right now in the Philippines. If I don't know it's something in every country, tell me on the discussion. Because I already highlight that or something. Decided on the computer already. It's okay, guys. You guys don't have to be angry. I just wanted to ask you something nicely and polite. And this is why I want my channel to stay alive. Come on, subscribe. Guys, subscribe if you want to do. Subscribe me, please. And I will. If you don't subscribe me, oh no, I'm gonna be sad. So watch out, guys. It's alert. If you guys don't like to subscribe me, I will be sad. But I'll not block your account. I will just only do something. Oh, dang it. I accidentally crashed. Let me see. Okay. I have extra right now. It looks like a card or something. Whoa, that's really weird right now. I'm so excited to play this. Don't you agree with you guys? Type yes or type no. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is yes. This game is awesome for me and you guys. Some of these people who are recording the screen about this game. And every game, like Let's Jumper and everything, like Stackball, Cloud City for Liar, Angry Birds, Plants vs Zombies, they do that already before and it's still here. Wow, I watch it every time on YouTube. That's what they do, record it and post it on YouTube. Isn't it great, guys? That's good for me. Wait. Okay, I have a more quick announcement to make also. If you think if this game is bad, well, you can only watch it. If you need to get along with these games. Because it's awesome, okay? Guys, and also more announcements still. Try to not dislike my video. And subscribe me. Try to not. That's an alert. If you do that, I will look for you in the YouTube accounts. Okay? Do not make me sad. So okay, I have enough of this. Okay. I have an idea, you guys. How about we make Talking Tom Hero Dash 2 versus Subway Surfers? So, hey guys, so we're gonna play Talking Tom Hero Dash and versus Subway Surfers. Which is the best? Well, the best game most is Subway Surfers today. Right now, still, because the most people who have downloaded Subway Surfers at many times, and it's in first place. I have seen this coming. You guys know that. You think that. If you don't know what's this, you'll be okay. Okay? So we're just talking about this game on YouTube. Okay, try to reach me 1,000 subscribers. Try to reach me. Try to subscribe me to 1,000 subscribers. Oh my, holy shit, man. How did this happen so far? How did this happen right now? How did my game cheated? My game's a cheat already. Why am I so fast today? Is it because I'm crazy or something? Game, stop! This game's cheating already. Can you guys think it already? You guys, keeping going fly and fast. So really like this today. Okay, don't mind these games I show you like this. They're always so sometimes useful. But I only play some games that I want to do. So, after I finish this, we'll go to Subway Surfers, okay? Today's a challenge, haha, finally. It's going down right now. Okay, it's already 2:18 p.m. already in Philippines. Good morning, good early morning, America. Good morning, Europe, and good afternoon, Asia, and Ocean. Oh no, wait. Commercials again. Yeah, skip this. What's that? Ooh, new outfit. Wow. Let me test it first, you guys. Wait, hold on. Let me test it. Wow, this guy's so good. Well, whatever. Okay, we're gonna pause this video. We're gonna go to Subway Surfers. Alright. Dang it. Okay, I did it. Okay, we're in Subway Surfers right now. I forgot to say in the video about, if you guys know, if you know that, I forgot to say Talking Tom Hero Dash versus Subway Surfers. I was meant to say, so we're gonna play this right now. Dang. Because the security guards guard and the dog hates Jake. Spraying something at the train called but the letter says Subway suffers. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Guys, you should not write that in real life. That's disgraceful. Okay? Also, it can also get disrespectful and wait, let me think, you guys. Let me think. Okay. So and let me see. What else I saying over here? Okay. That's ungrateful. Oh yeah, that's ungrateful. Yeah. Yep. Try not do that, you guys, or else you get caught by the cops and or security guards. You guys should because I've seen other videos that it's not related to the game. It's not made by games. It's but in this game, why is people copying it? So like this, guys, you should not do this, right? Also, when you're outside with coronavirus, with it, try to not get COVID-19 on you. Please, just stay home. And why is American people hate wearing masks? Say, I don't want to wear a mask, but you should. But everyone says, I'm gonna wear a mask outside because I'm gonna go get something somewhere. It's like that. Also getting groceries. You guys know that, right? From the from your parent. Even your little brothers or sisters already. But if you already move away, if you already move out, you probably know this, right? On the TV, at the news, as usual. Use alcohol and wash hands with soap, and let me see. Okay, and drink your medicine. There's no vaccine yet until the doctor is ready for that. So doctors are just testing about COVID-19 still. Well, thanks for the doctors here in Philippines already. But why is it spreading fast in America? Because people are going out. America says, how are we gonna get this virus spread slow? That's the question. That's right. That's the question. People asking questions. So will all the world of coronavirus stops, or this year, or 2022, or 2021? So the answer, they said it's 2022. So you guys, I already told you that. You probably heard this. I told you guys, right? You guys remember or something? No. Okay. Right now. I know that, you right? If you're going out, wear your mask. If you forgot your mask, no, do not go out. You'll be stuck in your house for hours, for every day. You should buy masks as usual. Or your friends. Me and my parents use home masks when we go out during the COVID. But I'm not gonna make videos in August. I'm gonna make it on weekend. Okay? Okay. I have an announcement again. I'm reporting myself, says. Okay, so hey guys, I will have to make videos in every weekend in August. Okay? Please please be patient. Please don't be patient, you guys. You'll be okay, guys, okay? Don't be angry at me. You know why I have to tell you? It's my online school. Yeah. I'm just a 12-year-old kid, but why is someone say in the comments call me a kid? I'm not gonna be a kid anymore next year. I'm gonna be a teenager next year. And you know how old I will be next year? 13. My dad told me that 13-year-old turns teenager. I don't know if my body's gonna change or something else. I have to see soon. I'm not sure if that's today or something. Because it's already almost the end of July. It's already July 27 already. Yeah. What a day. These are the days, guys. So I would like you to thank for my... Now I'm gonna be in a 1,200 views already. Thank you guys. I'm getting up 1,200 views already. Man, how am I so good at this? Maybe I'm good or something or really like that. Maybe. Okay. I haven't crashed yet. Wow, or something. I don't know. Oops. We're gonna do this. Wee! Yeehaw! Yeah. Oh god, watch out for trains. Yes, they're going forward. Guys, you should not hit by a train. But this is only, I only been crashing with skateboards right now. I'm lucky! Woohoo! I don't want to waste any keys right now. Because I had to unlock someone or something else. I don't know. Or get something at the... But coins I need to upgrade or something. I don't know. You guys are nice. Oh yeah, hey. Also, have you know that you guys heard this last time about my video called DJ Cool Gaming Watching Video? My channel, it's 2.0, my other channel. So I turned off the comments already. I'm so sorry. Maybe it's just useful. Now I have 3 skateboards left. No. Okay, I'll just press this. This is not good. No, not again. Okay, I'll just be quiet now. Guys, sorry. Oh my goodness! What the heck just happened, dude? Oh my goodness. It scared me. How did this happen right now, you guys? Guys, do you know what just happened? Something looked like an explosion, but it ain't supposed to be. But it's supposed to be boom, like that. Oh, aha! What the heck? 31 times of a star or something score of the problem. Oh, dang it. Okay, we'll just watch. Okay. Finally, I don't want to waste coins right now. Okay, I get it. Oh. Phew. Almost 3,000 coins right now. Silly. What a name of happiness. That's what I said. What a name of happiness. I don't want to be happiness. I want to be happy only. I love to. Also, I have a question, you guys. Do you guys know that I'm dancing right already? I know how to dance a lot. I dance a lot, many times in school. In practice also. Do you guys like it? Okay, I better check. Okay, I get it. The subway suffers so as usual. Also, one of my friend Miguel says that he loves BFDI stuffs. He said, but he have a YouTube channel. I forgot his like that name of it. But I already subscribed him already a few days ago. He already have 44 or 43 subscribers right now. He's ahead of me right now, but I only have 15. I have 2 of my friends I passed, called Sam and Rachel or something like that. They're my friend. They live here in Philippines also, like Miguel or something. They live here in this country. But I don't talk that much to these 2 people right now. I want to be good. Okay. So have I played games? Do you know what date I started to be on a screen record? On my phone? January 20 or January 19. 2020. Oh, this is still the beginning of 2020. After New Year's 2020. Well, if you don't know, check it out after I already did it a few months ago already. Yeah, don't worry, it's okay. Just have a great time, you guys, okay? I'm cool. I'm a cool gamer, right? Okay. I'm still gonna be a cool gamer. Please, let me focus on this game. Please. Okay, I'm doing it good. Also, I heard someone from V88 box who says from that. It says he misses let me think. Kagesaurus. He's a Godzilla dinosaur in a drawing. He thinks he's deleting the channel, but he changed his mind. I wonder how is he doing that. No, he's well, I don't know about this in YouTube. Thanks for thank these people who is getting helped by me. Let's save this game and save the day in the game. La 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 la. I'm going to sing right now when I'm doing it. Oh, I'm just joking. Don't just calm down, okay? I'm just a cool gamer right now. Oh, it's 2:35 right now. I wonder why am I doing this game for no reason. So, okay, I'm doing good. So this game is the best. So Subway Surfers is the best, you know. Okay, Subway Surfers is a winner right now. Let's stop this right now. Let me crash. Let's see in the mystery box. A Tricky's hat. 2 Tricky's hat. 3 hoverboards. Another Tricky hats. Tricky's hat. And that's it. Man, how did this? I had 3,000 plus coins or something. No, it's 4,556. So, why is it me and it says Jake, Utani, Tricky, Fresh, King or something? It says at least. Oh, did I really beat them? I think so. What's that? Oh, I don't need this daily gift. So, thanks for watching, you guys. So, like and subscribe, and I'll see you more in the next video. See you guys.